All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 5 of our December daily math. And looks like we get to start off with a special property in multiplication. I see 8 times 7 is equal to, and then it looks like we're going to take some and put 4 times 7 over here. And we're going to add it to something else times 7. Well, what is 4 plus what equals 8? Yeah, 4 plus 4. They are both 4 times 7. Okay? There's a special name for that. And if you can tell me what the name for that property is, I may have something special for you. All right? So you come up to me and tell me what the name of this property is right here. It's a certain multiplication property. I'll give you something special because that's an awesome answer if you can do that. All right, use less than, greater than, or equal to. A quarter of a small pizza or half of the same size pizza. Well, all right. Let's just think of it as slices of pizza. There's one. All right, so I'm going to split this one in half. Okay, so I get half of, actually I'm going to go like this. I'll go like this. I'll do half of this one because it's on this side. So we get to eat that much. Well, I would be really, really full if I ate half a pizza. Okay, that'd be a lot. Otherwise, we have 1/4. So we're going to split this into 4 equal pieces. And what you eat is how much is shaded in there, okay? So 1/4 is less than, greater than, or equal to 1/2. It's 1/4 is less than, yes. Very nice. Okay, draw an array to show 6 times 6. Use dots, write the equation. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now what I'm doing is I'm filling in the rest of the dots. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going down, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going across. So this is 6 times 6 equals 36. That one has a little special rhymey jingle. 6 times 6 equals 36. Okay, number 4 says, fix the mistake in this pattern. Okay. 8 to 12 to 16 to 20 to 24 to 27 to 32. 8, 2, 6, 0, 4. No? Jeez, what is that? Huh? Well, what is it from 8 to 12? We had 4. 12 to 16, we had 4. You know, I'm thinking this has something because the 8, the 2, the 6, the 0, the 4, and the 2 are all even numbers, and that 7 is odd. Something's up with that. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 3. Oh, plus 5. Okay, so I'm thinking if we change this one to 28, now we have plus 4, and from 28 to 32 is also plus 4. I think that would be perfect, right? So this is our answer. If that would be how we would fix that one. Okay, Taco's treats. Taco loves to eat his treats. He munches 3 each day. How many treats will Taco eat if he eats 3 treats for 9 days? Okay, well, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and there's 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, and 3, 3, 3. Okay. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Our answer is 27 treats. Okay. And we can kind of say on this one that we have 3 treats times 9 days equals 27. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Keep up the great work. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 5.